an object for us.
Tajir.
With trainer Albert. Now, our next featured birds are just like anywhere we go. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of twin-wing hawks. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. Where's the girls? All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let's hear your cheer. Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy.
Very good. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer.
Rocky.
Rocky!
Rocky.
Very well. So, it's ready. Trainers ready. Set, go! Here goes the first ball.
Oh, 1-0. 2-0.
It's the time for the last ball.
Yay!
What a close game. Trainer Regine, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold that. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Trainer Vince.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to this again?
Well, this time I guarantee you.
Doing this again, and next time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here goes Rocky in his first race.
1-0. Ay, ang galing! Sabay-sabay eh.
Trainer Vince, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy, Mr. Green.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Of course. Not. So round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Regine and Trainer Vince. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we are continuing to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy, our twin-wing hawk, and today she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shapes back into the correct slots. Just like Sassy, twin-wing hawks are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest of the hawks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. Let's go, Sassy. And for the last shape, come on, Sassy girl. And there you go. Round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Regine. Now, guys, who loves math? Everyone here loves addition, right? Because this next part of our program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? Well, before we call in our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Alright, so the first number is number 8. How about the second number? Alright, so the second number is number 7. So
blue bar.